In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Wix Multilingual Tool 2025. Whether you want to reach a broader audience or cater to non-English speaking visitors, this tool will help translate your site effectively. Let's dive in and go through the steps together. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to wix.com. This is the starting point for accessing all of Wix's features, including their robust multilingual capabilities. Once you're on the website, locate the Login section. If you already have a Wix account, enter your credentials to log in. Otherwise, you'll need to create an account to proceed. This process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. After logging in, you will be directed to your account dashboard. Here, you'll see an option to select and edit site. Go ahead and click on it. This will lead you to your website management area, where all your sites are listed. If you have several websites, choose the one you aim to make multilingual. Click Design Site to begin making the necessary changes to the selected website. Once you're inside the Wix website editor, you need to locate the Add Apps option. Look on the left side of your editor interface where a panel offers various functionalities. Click on Add Apps. It will prompt you to the App Market, which hosts numerous apps that enhance your website's performance and features. Inside the App Market, you will find a search box. Click on it and type Wix Multilingual to find our tool of interest for today's task. After typing in your search query, a list of relevant apps will be displayed. Find the one labeled Wix Multilingual and click on it. This app is specifically designed to make it simple for you to set up a multilingual website by allowing you to add, translate, and manage different language versions of your site seamlessly. Once you're on the Wix Multilingual app page, you'll see a button labeled Add to Site. Click on it. This action will install the tool onto your website, equipping it with multilingual capabilities. This tool will now allow you to add languages as needed, offering a more inclusive experience for your visitors, regardless of their linguistic background. Navigating through these steps ensures that you unlock a new level of accessibility in your website, opening the door to a wider audience. Customize the settings based on the languages important to your audience. And there you have it, a fully multilingual site in just a few simple steps. With the Wix Multilingual Tool 2025, you are now ready to communicate more effectively with the world. Thanks for following along, and happy site building.